Have you ever spent your entire evening after a meeting typing up minutes of meeting, action items, risks, dependencies, only to realize you have just burned 2 hours of your life on admin work? Yeah, I have been there too. And let me tell you, that pain was one of the sparks that led me to this journey of bringing AI into project management. Back in 2019 2020, AI ML were the big buzzwords. Every article, every conference, every expert was saying AI will transform business. And I thought maybe this is the career pivot I need. So I enrolled in a postgraduate diploma in AI ML, a full year. And let's just say the fee was not small. But after completing it, I realized something important. If I wanted to shift careers into I have to start from the scratch. And as a project manager, I couldn't find many use cases in my daily work. Still, I experimented. I built few Python-based tools. It used to take a topic and it would return me top 10 YouTube videos using semantic search. Then I wrote a tool to transcribe those videos. It was fun, but honestly, time consuming. Then came November 2022 and everything changed. Suddenly, with ChatGPT, I could do in minutes what took me hours to code. For example, remember those meeting notes I mentioned earlier? I used to spend hours writing MOM, formalizing risks, actions, dependencies. With GenAI, that entire painful process went from hours to minutes. And that was my light bulb moment. I started seeing real practical use cases, not just experiments, but productivity boosters. And here's the thing, when I speak to fellow project managers, I hear the same dilemma again and again. Everyone's confused. Where do I start with AI? What should I automate? How do I justify ROI when the time and effort to learn feels so high? And you know what? They're right. There's no structured process for AI adoption in PM workflows. It feels like trial and error, Google searches, random prompts asking peers. That's not sustainable. And definitely that's not scalable. That's why I decided to build a framework, a structured, repeatable way to help PMs adopt AI in their workflows. It starts with asking the right questions. First, do a self audit of your PM workflows. Which tasks are quick wins, which are strategic transformations, and which are efficiency boosters and which you can ignore. Next, you do a AI fluency self-assessment. What's your AI readiness? Where are your knowledge gaps? What skills do you need to build? And just before you start your automation journey, run a quick PM AI runway clearance checklist to align your automation objectives with the organization's policies and guidelines. Once you have mapped that, I bring in my PM AI automation blueprint a set of 11 project management design patterns. Each pattern comes with 10 key automatable tasks and optimized prompts to make AI adoption plug and play. That way, you are not just experimenting, you are implementing AI safely and with purpose. And let's be honest, if AI can give you at least 10 hours saved per week per PM, 20% project capacity back, and 300% ROI in year one, then what's the point? My framework is built to make sure you get exactly that. So here's the choice. You can keep searching the internet for random prompts, or you can take the structured route. If you are convinced, start small. Grab my book, A Project Manager's Daily AI Handbook, and if you want to go deeper, check out my Udemy course, AI-powered Project Management Mastery. And if you need personalized help, reach out to me directly. Let's solve your challenges together, step by step. My mission is simple, to help project managers like you cut through the noise, adopt AI with confidence, and focus on what really matters, delivering value. The world is not waiting. AI is here. The question is, are you ready to become an AI savvy project manager?